Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to show NSFW contents on Reddit. Maybe you want to have access to a wider variety of discussions and media that are not suitable for all audiences. So today I'm going to show you how to show NSFW contents on Reddit. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open the Reddit application and log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to the home page. In this page, tap on your profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. A panel will appear at the right side, and here, tap on Settings. In this Settings page, you will now see this Show Not Safe for Work Content option. Since you wanted to see not safe for work contents on the platform, simply toggle on the switch next to this option. After that, you now have successfully enabled NSFW content on Reddit. You will now be able to view NSFW posts and communities. Please use this feature responsibly and adhere to Reddit's guidelines. There you go. If you wanted to know how to show NSFW contents on Reddit, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to show NSFW contents on Reddit, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.